Hi guys, Renee here. Hope you guys are having an amazing day and looking forward to your weekend. So I want to come to you today and show you this super fun project that we worked on last week. So it is a coffee mug that has rhinestone embellishments on it. And that came out so nice. I hope you can see the shine on those rhinestones. So Michael and I recently started to offer rhinestone classes here in our shop, and we started out with apparel. So we were doing 2-color rhinestone designs, and I was thinking of a way that we could kind of branch out and offer a new product. So I did this just to try it out. It came out great. So let me tell you a little bit about the process and the items you would need to do something like this. So the first thing you would need is a sublimation drinkware item. So a sublimation coffee mug or tumbler or something like that. And what I did is I sublimated this image on here. So let me show you a couple that I printed out. So these are a couple of Afro Lady images that I printed out, and I actually grabbed these images off of Creative Fabrica. And if you've never heard about Creative Fabrica, it's a site where you can sign up to get images that are commercially licensed that you can legally use on your items that you sell. So we will be having a follow-up video all about Creative Fabrica. I'll walk you through the website and show you all of that. That'll be coming soon. So all of these images came from Creative Fabrica. So in addition to your mug and your images, you're going to need some flat back rhinestones. So these are some of the rhinestones that we actually sell here in our shop. So flat back means there's no glue on the back of the rhinestone, and we have several different sizes. So as you can see, this is SS20. These are beautiful. This is SS16. So these are actually the rhinestones that I used on this mug, this color. And we've got some crystal AB here, and just other smaller stones that you can use. These are gold, but smaller sizes you can use to fill in some of the smaller spaces. So in addition to that, you're going to need a wax picker, and this is used to pick up the rhinestones to place them on your mug, and we sell these in our shop as well. You're going to need some glue. I use E6000 on this mug, and as I was doing this was my first time doing it, I discovered that it would be easier if you had something that has a more precise tip. So this is just a little plastic bottle that I got off of Amazon that has kind of a needle tip on it. And I put some E6000 in there, and that gives you better control with spreading your glue on the item. And last but not least, I got these little trays, and you can use this to put your rhinestones in the tray, and then they're not rolling all over the table, and they're easier to pick up. So basically what I did was I sublimated the mug with my image on here, and then I decided that I wanted to bling out her afro. So I basically just applied E6000 in just in small areas, so you don't want it to dry before you get the stone on. And I just placed the stones all around, and you had to let it dry for 24 hours before you can use it. And This is hand wash only. Don't put it in the dishwasher because the heat will be too high for the stones and the image. But after you let it set for 24 hours, you can wash it, just with your regular dish soap in the sink, and you can use it then. I think these make a gorgeous gift for someone, for a birthday gift, Mother's Day, whatever. And I think they'll enjoy it because it's unique. Now, if you would like to see a full video of me making a mug, just leave a comment below, and the next time I make one, it'll probably be one of these images. We'll record that and you can see exactly what I do to make this. And then in addition, we'll leave links below to the items that I mentioned here. And that's it. Thank you guys for joining us. Please like and subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.